Starting a woodworking business can be a rewarding journey filled with creativity, craftsmanship, and the potential for significant financial gain. For many, woodworking begins as a hobby, a way to unwind, connect with nature, or create tangible expressions of art. However, it holds vast potential beyond personal satisfaction. As you develop your skills and gain experience in the craft, the transition from hobbyist to entrepreneur opens doors to numerous opportunities. Embracing the entrepreneurial spirit can lead you to discover innovative ways to monetize your woodworking prowess. At the heart of a successful wood business lies passion. When you are genuinely passionate about your craft, it radiates through your work. This enthusiasm draws customers in, as they can sense the dedication you put into creating every piece. Moreover, a deep-rooted appreciation for the art of woodworking encourages you to continuously improve and refine your techniques. This ongoing pursuit of excellence is crucial in a competitive marketplace, where distinguishing yourself from others can mean the difference between casual inquiries and solid sales. Understanding your target market is essential for any business. Conducting thorough research will reveal preferences, trends, and pricing strategies that resonate with potential customers. Knowing whether you want to target local artisans, online shoppers, or retail stores can help you tailor your offerings and marketing strategies effectively. Additionally, networking with other professionals in the woodworking community can provide valuable insights and resources. Collaboration and sharing knowledge create a supportive environment where everyone can thrive. Equally important is the importance of quality materials. Sourcing the best wood and finishing products not only enhances the durability of your creations, but also positions your brand as a quality choice in the minds of consumers. When people see craftsmanship that resonates with authenticity and durability, they're more inclined to invest in your work. Establishing relationships with reliable suppliers can help maintain consistency in your products while ensuring that your business remains profitable. A solid business plan acts as a blueprint for your woodworking venture. It dictates your strategy, finances, and marketing efforts, providing a roadmap to guide your decisions. This plan should encompass your vision for the business, detailing how you will scale operations, manage finances, and handle challenges that may arise. By outlining clear goals and objectives, you will foster accountability within your business and be equipped to navigate the complexities of entrepreneurship with confidence. Marketing in today's digital age is vital for reaching a broad audience. Leveraging social media platforms can showcase your craftsmanship and connect with potential customers. Engaging content, such as photos of your work or videos demonstrating your crafting process, draws interest and establishes a narrative around your brand. Additionally, building an attractive website can serve as a hub for your business, providing essential information for customers while showcasing your unique style. Establishing a solid online presence allows you to sell products on various e-commerce platforms, tapping into global markets. Understand the nuances of each platform and tailor your approach to resonate with its audience. Whether using social media promotions, email marketing, or content marketing, the goal is to create a cohesive and engaging customer journey that encourages return visits and purchases. Customer service acts as the final touch in creating a lasting brand impression. Building relationships with your customers can lead to repeat business and word-of-mouth referrals. Quick responses to inquiries, handling complaints with grace, and considering customer feedback can all enhance customer satisfaction. Being personable and accessible fosters trust and loyalty, essential components for long-term success in any business. The importance of branding cannot be overstated. Your brand should reflect the values and aesthetics of your craftsmanship. A memorable logo, cohesive color scheme, and a consistent tone in your communications all contribute to a distinct identity that speaks to your target audience. Consider how you want customers to perceive your business and implement strategies that align with this vision. Sustainability is becoming increasingly important to consumers, making it an appealing selling point in the woodworking industry. Sourcing from sustainable forests and utilizing eco-friendly finishes sends a strong message about your commitment to responsible sourcing. Promoting these practices can not only enhance your brand, but also attract customers who prioritize environmentally friendly choices. As you grow your woodworking business, consider expanding your product lines or services. Perhaps you can offer custom pieces, workshops, or design consultations, allowing customers to personalize their experiences. Diversifying your offerings not only increases your revenue streams, but also mitigates risks associated with dependency on a single product category. The journey of entrepreneurship includes facing challenges, often requiring adaptability and resilience. Whether it's fluctuating market trends, increased competition, or evolving consumer preferences, staying nimble is key to overcoming hurdles. Embracing change as an opportunity to innovate can lead to newfound success, often in unexpected ways. Financial management is a crucial aspect of operating a successful woodworking business. Keeping detailed records of expenses, sales, and inventory allows you to make informed decisions. Understanding your cash flow and setting a budget helps in anticipating lean periods and ensures that your business can weather any storms. Consulting with a financial advisor can further enhance your strategies, ensuring you stay on a growth trajectory. Collaborating with local businesses can set the stage for cross-promotion opportunities. Engaging with local artisans, home decor shops, or even cafes can result in mutually beneficial arrangements that extend your reach. Consider hosting joint events or participating in local craft fairs to showcase your work and connect with a wider audience. Community involvement enhances your visibility while establishing your brand as a local mainstay. Continuous education in woodworking is vital as trends evolve. Engaging in workshops, online courses, and mentorship programs can expand your skill set and invigorate your creativity. Not only does ongoing learning inspire innovation, but it also demonstrates to customers that you are committed to excellence. Knowledge is power, especially in an industry that values craftsmanship. A successful woodworking business is more than just a financial venture. It's a platform for artistic expression and community connection. As you share your work with the world, you create opportunities for others to appreciate and value handcrafted artistry. The stories behind each creation resonate, enhancing emotional connections that can lead to lasting customer relationships. Integrating technology into your woodworking business can streamline operations. From digital tools that assist in design and production to software that manages inventory and finances, technology can boost efficiency. Embracing innovation allows you to focus more on the craft itself, elevating your overall productivity and helping you scale your business effectively. As you forge ahead in your woodworking journey, remember that failures are learning experiences. Celebrate the successes, but also take time to analyze what doesn't work. Understanding the lessons from setbacks can provide invaluable insights that fuel your growth. Building resilience in the face of adversity will strengthen your business acumen over time.